We often start comparing good Bollywood movies with that of Hollywood. For example, जब बाहुबली रिलीज हुई थी तो उसको काफी ज्यादा अप्रिसिएशन मिला था from the global audience for its VFX. And at that time its VFX were also compared with some Hollywood movies. And not only the VFX but the storyline, the roles of Bollywood are compared with Hollywood. And from many years, Hollywood is way ahead than Bollywood in terms of making good movies. Now you must be thinking that the video has just started and I have come to a conclusion. Hey guys, this is Animesh and today we'll be discussing about some reasons because of which Bollywood, this film industry, can never compete with Hollywood. And moreover, why Bollywood is getting so much of outrage from the Indian audience these days. And why Bollywood is worse than ever today. So let me give you a quick overview of what topics we will be discussing today in this video. This video is divided into 7 main topics. First of all, we'll be talking about script writing and storyline in Bollywood, and we'll be also talking about how it is different from Hollywood. Then we will discuss about roles and characters played by actors in both Hollywood and Bollywood industry. Then we'll talk about duration and format of both Bollywood movies and Hollywood movies. The fourth thing which we will discuss today are the different award functions held in Bollywood and Hollywood industry. Further, we will discuss the role played by Monopoly in Bollywood. And last but not the least, we will be talking about the most crucial topic of today's video, that is nepotism in Bollywood. In the end, as conclusion, we will talk about how you as an audience can bring a major change in this Bollywood industry and how you can make Bollywood a better platform for content consumption. So without wasting any much of your time, let's quickly get started. So to start with, the first thing which we are going to talk about is script writing and storyline. A script is said to be the heart of any movie. If your script and storyline is mind-blowing, your movie will be successful and loved by the audience. Maximum Bollywood mein there is no attention and importance given to the script, the storyline and the plot of a movie. The only emphasis on Bollywood movies is given to the star and the screen time instead of the story and the scripting. यहाँ before writing the script and the storyline for a movie, the actors, so-called stars, finalize कर दिए जाते हैं. But on the other hand, in Bollywood, more emphasis, more priority is given to a particular role, a character, rather than the actor. That's a major reason यहाँ downgraded movies are made more, and also main reason Bollywood में sequel movies are often flop. That's because Bollywood में बहुत कम priority दी जाती है story और scripting को, and all that matter is कि तुमने कौन से famous actor को sign किया है अपनी movie में. That's why movies like Race 3, Dabangg 3, Student of the Year 2, Baaghi 3 and many more are made and watched by the people. Now, we all know that there are different genres of movies, like there are action movies, there are thriller movies, there are horror, drama, comedy movies. So an actor has to be at its best in terms of role playing and character improvisation for these genres. This brings us to the next point. To prove the worthiness for that role, every actor has to go through an audition process, no matter how big, how famous or how well established that actor is in Hollywood. For example, Hugh Jackman gave auditions for the role of Wolverine in X-Men. Brad Pitt gave auditions for the role of Achilles in the movie Troy. And let me tell you, at that time, these actors were very well known and very well established. Yet they had to give auditions to prove that they are worthy for that role in the particular movie. And now I would like to ask you, when is the last time you saw a well-established Indian star giving auditions for a role in a movie? अगर याद है तो comment section में comment कर देना. Now the next thing which we are going to talk about is duration and format of both Hollywood and Bollywood movies. In Hollywood, the story, the content is given the most importance and focus, and that's why an average duration of a Hollywood movie is 2 hours. Whereas in Bollywood, मुझे बताने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, storyline को unnecessary खींचा जाता है, which spoils it. There is thrash glamour in maximum Bollywood movies, meaningless songs and useless detailing of the character. And अगर इन सब चीजों के बाद कुछ नहीं बचता तो audience को देखने को मिल जाती है 3 घंटे की लंबी Bollywood movie. Now let's talk about the fourth topic that is highly criticized in Bollywood. We are talking about the award functions in Bollywood. In short, अगर तुम्हारे पास पैसा है as a star, boom, there you earned. Not actually, there you got an award to showcase at your home. Whereas in Hollywood, we all know the most respected award for which an actor works hard throughout years to achieve that, to get recognized for that, are the Oscar awards. Now by that ऐसा नहीं है कि बॉलीवुड में सारे अवार्ड फंक्शंस ही ऐसे होते हैं. देयर आर सम जेन्युइन अवार्ड्स इन बॉलीवुड, देयर आर सम जेन्युइन अवार्ड फंक्शंस इन बॉलीवुड. But in past, time to time, some big known faces have come out and they have actually spoken about how these award function works in Bollywood. They have actually showed the dark side of these Bollywood award functions. Now we'll be talking about monopoly in Bollywood. You must be wondering why I am using this term in context of Bollywood. Monopoly is basically the control of an industry by only one company or some big individuals. For this to understand, you can go to Wikipedia. I mean right now, pause this video and search list of Hindi film families. If you do so, a Wikipedia page will pop up which has this list of some families who literally controls this cinema industry. That's a big problem. You as an audience aren't getting what you want for your entertainment. These individuals are giving what they want and you are simply taking that as content without any single thought.
ना खानदान ना सिफारिश सिर्फ टैलेंट देगा इंडिया.
Moving on to the last yet the most crucial topic to talk about in today's video is Karan Johar. Not actually. We are talking about nepotism in Bollywood. Seeing this industry from past few years, I will surely say that nepotism isn't in Bollywood. Bollywood is nepotism. Bollywood is heavily flooded with nepotism. Now understand one thing, nepotism is everywhere in every profession. But in film industry in Bollywood, where your skills matter कि तुम्हें कितनी success मिले, तुम्हें कितना stardom मिले, nepotism is a curse. Because of nepotism, there is no room for the newcomers who are outsiders to this industry. With no connection, it becomes very difficult for them to fit in the frames. It takes years and years for them to be well known and well established. For example, Manoj Bajpayee, Ayushmann Khurrana, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Taapsee Pannu and many more, they had to work for years and years to see themselves where they are standing today. While on the other hand, Ananya Pandey had her own struggle doing the debut film with Karan Johar and also to win the Filmfare Award for the best debut. It is said that actors are not born, they are made. But I think with these star kids, it must be like actors are not made, they are born. Talking about them, स्टार किड्स को शुरू से ही बहुत ज्यादा हेट मिलता आ रहा है. नो मैटर व्हाट दे डू, वो कितने अच्छे हैं एक्टिंग में, उनकी मूवीज कितना अच्छा परफॉर्म करती हैं, बट लोग उन्हें हेट करते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ नेपोटिज्म, बिकॉज दे आर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नेपोटिज्म. आई थिंक हमें स्टार किड्स को बस इसलिए हेट नहीं करना चाहिए जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नेपोटिज्म, बट इनकी वजह से यंग इंडिविजुअल टैलेंटेड इंडिपेंडेंट आर्टिस्ट ओवरशैडो होते रहते हैं बॉलीवुड में. इनकी वजह से आउटसाइडर्स को अपनी बड़ी मूवी नहीं मिलती एंड मोर ओवर इनकी वजह से ये टैलेंटेड आर्टिस्ट अपनी स्किल्स, अपना टैलेंट ऑडियंस के सामने एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते एंड एट द एंड दीज आउटसाइडर आर ऑफन लेफ्ट अलोन इन दिस बिग फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. Comparing the star kids with the outsiders, they have a head start in Bollywood. They don't have to rely on their acting skills to sustain in Bollywood. Moreover, they have no worries of getting their debut movie flop as they know that they will get multiple chances back to back no matter how they act in their movie. How will their movie do in the box office? These star kids actually have people backing their career up. Now let's go some decades back. Take example of Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra, Vinod Khanna. They actually had to struggle a lot to sustain in Bollywood and win millions of people's heart by their acting skills. They were on their own at that time, but today in this industry, if you have contacts, you can easily get your debut movie. But I think we should not blame nepotism because it will never end. It will continue till this Bollywood industry exists. I think by now it's high time we should support independent outsiders by watching their movies rather than watching what these greedy producers wants us to watch. And I also believe that by doing this, we can change this whole Bollywood scenario, which is very wrong and very unfair. In the end, as conclusion, I would like to say that you as an audience can bring a big major change to stop this exploitation of young independent individuals. You can do this by watching their movies. Moreover, you can expand your understanding towards good content not only in Bollywood but on platforms like YouTube. By that I meant subscribe to this channel if you liked the video. Well, that was it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a great day ahead. Peace out.